Hey YouTube, I'm back. Here's the Fetal Doppler that I got in the mail the other day. The brand is, sorry y'all, that's Lily shaking. The brand is Baby Sound, and I got it at facelake.com, and or you can go to echostore.com, and I actually got the information from, I'm guessing her name is, I know it's just IVN TEE07, so Ivan T07, I guess. And I think Audrey Marie 07 told her about it. So and it's a really good Doppler. Like, I was kind of skeptical because, like a lot of people say, oh, you get this Doppler and then it sucks ass and all that stuff. So I heard 2 really good reviews about it, so decided to go ahead and get it. And I guess I'll show it to you. It's really compact, really cute. Let's see, here it is. I'll bring it a little closer so you can see it. But there it is. And it's pink and white. Here's a little digital LCD screen. And it's pink, my favorite color. So, and it's really cool. Like, I could hear the baby moving around and like sloshing around, and the heartbeat like picking up right away is really clear. What else? I think the baby's heartbeat, the last I checked, was like 142 or something like that, because I haven't used it in a couple days. But yeah, it's a really good Doppler, y'all. And it's got the 2 little headphone jacks on the side. So when I used it, I had my headphones, and John had his headphones, so we both here at the same time. So I thought that was pretty cool. And it was regularly like $100, I think. And I've got the little invoice right here, so I'll tell you how much I paid for it in case you want to get one. The Doppler, and sorry y'all, it also comes with like a little jack to plug into the computer so that you can, do the audio and stuff and people can hear it like online. And also ordered the Aquasonic ultrasound. Sorry y'all, that's my psycho doll. Also ordered the Aquasonic ultrasound transmissions gel to go with it. And this is only like $5. So the Doppler and the gel came up to $51.98. And then with the shipping, it was $7.31. So the total was $59.29. So basically $60, as opposed to paying $100 and probably like maybe $110, maybe shipping and handling. So it's really good. It's really clear, really accurate. I'm gonna do like IVNT07 did, and I'm gonna record my baby's heartbeat before my appointment at 2 o'clock on Monday, and then I'm gonna see how accurate it is. So thanks for that tip. I guess I'll do that. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, you can hear everything. It's amazing. So yeah, that's the Doppler. So, and I'll put the link on this side. I'll put the link if you want to, just check it out if you're just curious about it. And I guess it's all about the Doppler, but I do have a rant for y'all. I told my mom about it earlier, so I guess I'll tell y'all. It was the day before yesterday, and I was waiting for my nutrition class to start, my intro to nutrition class to start. And this girl, I think she said she's a sophomore. Well, she asked me because I guess I'm really showing now because, stop Lily. I guess I'm really showing now because she came up to me and asked me if I was pregnant. Which I kind of think is rude. Like, what if I'm just a fat ass? You know what I mean? I'm sorry, I always say fat ass, but I don't know if that might offend somebody. But what if I've gained weight? You know what I mean? So, but anyway, so she came up to me. She's like, are you pregnant? I'm like, yeah. So, because I think it would be really weird, like, if I had this, like, build. Because I'm not really petite, but I'm not, I guess, heavy set. I mean, I'm kind of muscular. I am muscular. I mean, hey. But I think it would be kind of weird if my stomach did like this and I wasn't pregnant. So I guess you can ask. I don't know. Anyway, so she asked me if I was pregnant, and I was like, yeah. And then she's like, how far along are you? Told her I was married. When did you get married? Da, da, da. So I basically told her that we conceived on the honeymoon. And y'all, guess what this heifer had nerve to say to me? She said, oh my goodness, that must suck to conceive on your honeymoon. That must suck to get pregnant on your honeymoon. I'm like, wow, really? Like, okay, like, who says that? Okay, number 1, who says that to somebody? And number 2, I could see if I got married 2 years ago and then got pregnant, like, 2 years later or something, I'm like, oh yeah, that would suck. But then again, to me, it wouldn't have sucked because, it happened to me and it doesn't suck at all. But it's kind of like, she was like, oh yeah, it must suck. But I'm like, it happened to me, so how can you, like, what am I supposed to say? Oh yeah, girl, that does suck. Like, what do you say to somebody? So I think what did I say to her? I was like, no, when you've been with someone for almost 5 years and you're in love, then it really doesn't matter. You really don't care. So she's like, yeah, I guess that's true. Because she was like a sophomore. She's like, oh yeah, but I can't keep a man. And I'm like, okay, whatever. But I'm just like, you just don't say that to people. And I guess I can't stand when people, I guess because like with her, she's thinking she can never see it happening to her. Like she could probably never see herself getting married, let alone getting pregnant on her honeymoon. But I'm like, you can't interject your views into my life. You know what I mean? Like that just sucked ass to me. So she was just very rude. But it's just kind of like, you know, what am I supposed to say to that? So my mom thought it was hilarious. And I don't know, I just wish a lot of people would just think before they speak. So yeah, so I guess that's about it. I mean, it's not a good rant, I guess, but I was just like, oh, you bitch. Like, that's what I want to say to her. But, I mean, I actually controlled my hormones that day because it was just hot and I had to walk halfway across campus and I was already just ill. So, yeah, I was actually nice to her. So, be proud of me, y'all. So, I guess that's it. And I guess I will see you guys after my doctor's appointment on Monday. All right, bye. Oh, hey, y'all, one last thing. I guess I'll show my belly. I don't know, just feel like it. So here it is. It feels like it's gotten bigger the past couple of days. You guys let me know. I just feel like it's ginormous. But let's see. Here it is. It just looks really, really big to me. So y'all tell me if I'm crazy. I couldn't even wait till Monday to show y'all. But there it is. And I love this dress. It is so comfortable, y'all. I've had it for like a year and some change. But it's like the perfect maternity dress. I think it's gotten a lot bigger. And I haven't eaten very much today, so it's not like, you know, I ate like, you know, buttload of food. It's just, I don't know. I just think I'm finally starting to show and just, you know, stay showing and not just, you know, be showing in the morning and then, or I might bad, be showing at night. Then wake up in the morning, there's nothing there. So, and I guess tell me what you guys think. So, okay, I guess this is the end. All right, see you guys on Monday. Bye.